All right, what's up, y'all? What's up? So today's stream, I won't be on long because I actually have somewhere to go. So I'm gonna try to run through these charts as quick as I can for y'all. There's a lot of charts, so I am gonna share most of these, all of these, pretty much with y'all, the entire community this week, because I'll probably be busy um, this week, so I'll be a little bit away. So it is what it is, but I won't be as active this week. I'll be focusing on a few other things. So we'll go ahead and dive on in. Again, this is recorded, so y'all can rewatch this later on if you are just now getting into the stream. If y'all are new to the streams, make sure y'all are following us on TradingView. That way, y'all don't miss out on any future streams. As well as if you scroll down, you'll see the link to our website, our free Telegram community chat room, as well as our email. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. And the broker that I use, really good broker. So if you guys are looking for a good, reliable broker, link to the broker is down below. Cool. All right, so we have on the roster this week AUD USD, Gold, DXY, Euro USD, USD CHF, CAD CHF, NZD CAD, GBP CAD, AUD CAD, AUD JPY, GBP JPY, and USD CHF. Actually, no, not USD CHF. I'm sorry, all of these but USD CHF. So I'm going to run through these and kind of show y'all what I'm seeing, the directional bias, and then you guys will have pretty much a vision of what I'm seeing for this week. Again, if y'all want updates, I'll probably shoot the updates in the chat room. So make sure you are in the free community chat room. The link is down below. It's completely free, so make sure y'all are joined up. Cool. On USD. So we're looking for one more low on our USD. I'm waiting for price action to break down one more time. Once it does, then I'll start looking for potential entries. The thing about IDUSD is the entry could be here or the entry could be here. So one of these two areas that I do expect it to go up, it should not break below this stop loss, which is around 31 pips. So it should be a solid trade. All of the DXY pairs that I show y'all this week, I want y'all to mainly focus on the dollar movement and the CPI this upcoming, Tuesday? We have CPI on Tuesday. So CPI on Tuesday, and then we have GBP news and more USD news on Wednesday. But mainly want y'all to focus on basically Tuesday into Wednesday to focus on price action. Cool. So AUD this is going to be kind of a little bit time because I'm waiting on that news event to really kind of move this. So wherever it is around that news time, that's when I'm going to start looking for this. So I'm not going to look to like pending this. So I won't put a buy limit on it. I won't enter it as soon as it hits here. I'm going to basically be looking for also the time of when it hits here. So it depends on what day and how soon or how close it is to that news event because I'm waiting for that news event to actually move it. For example, if price action is up here before Wednesday, then CPI will most likely drop it down. So we'll wait for news closer towards news to really assess that one. Gold. So gold, I'm looking for a retracement up to this zone or this zone and then a drop. So literally market has already opened and shot up into the entry zone. Hopefully we get another pullback up and it doesn't just melt over towards the downside. If it does, it is what it is. I am looking at this to be a fast moving trade towards the downside. This is a dollar pair, so it could have that influence of CPI on Tuesday, Wednesday news events as well. So that could be waiting for that day for it to actually start dropping. So just be mindful. But overall, I am looking for one more drop on gold. So I want gold to retrace up and then drop down one more time, at least to take this low. But I am looking for price action to overall further extend into that 1912 range. DXY. So for the beginning of this week, what I'm expecting is for price action to continue to move towards the downside, hopefully around this area, and then we get a reaction for a movement up, and then around CPI, hopefully we have broken this high, and then I can expect a drop for CPI if we have broken this high by the time of that news event. If we are just now getting here by the time of the news event, then we'll more than likely shoot up for CPI. So how does that relate to some of the pairs that we are looking at? For example, Euro USD. If the DXY is to drop down and then go up, then we should expect Euro USD to go up and then drop down. We do have a head and shoulders on a small 1 hour to 4 hour entry perspective here, so that could play out for y'all. So watch for a potential move or at least one more move below this low here. Once it breaks this low, then anything can happen. It can drop down here and then head back up. Or it can just barely wick below the low and then head back up. But I'm looking for price action to at least extend below this low. So that's Euro USD. CAD CHF. So this is going to be a nice one for this week. I'm looking for price action basically to move up from this zone. It's already kind of started the double bottom potential pattern here. So we could see this actually being an entry and it could just shoot up. I'm going to try to hope that we can get one more pop down somewhere around this area and then we can catch the ride up. But I am looking for a movement towards the upside on CAD CHF for this week. NZD CAD. So this one, the other CAD pairs, I do see them being bearish. This one, I am expecting a potential push up. This one could go wrong, so I just want y'all to be mindful of it. As of right now, what I was looking for was basically for price action to drop down into our area of interest here and then push up. So it literally, this market opened, it dropped down, and then it started to push up. This could end up pushing up towards the beginning of the week and then falling with the other CAD pairs that I'm about to show you later on throughout the week. So this could be an immediate push towards the upside. I was looking for the push towards the upside to be in this zone. So this could start off with a nice push up for this week. So y'all make sure y'all watch that as well. GBP CAD. So I'm going to look for a sell on GBP CAD in this range this week with a stop loss of around 36 pips. Ultimately, I don't expect price action to break this high. I'm just looking for this retest of this range and then I'll be selling this down. So look for a pull up into this range of 1.69249 for the sell entry, and then we'll look to take this towards the downside this week. So hopefully we see USD CAD up here by that time as well. Then we could expect a nice sell for that. So odd CAD, I'm looking for something similar to GBP CAD. I'm sorry, I'm kind of like going through these. I just have somewhere to go, so I kind of have to hurry up and show y'all these. Again, if y'all are just now joining onto the stream, all of these are recorded for y'all. So as soon as the stream ends, y'all can just like literally refresh y'all's page and rewatch the stream from the beginning. So odd CAD, I'm looking for a retracement up. We do have a 5-way potentially forming here. So as long as price action doesn't break above wave 2, I'm looking for a retracement up and then a drop down throughout the week for odd CAD. So hopefully we're able to get that to flow around the entry time of GBP CAD as well. JPY. So this is something that I'm just going to kind of watch on the side. I'm looking for a movement to the upside out of this zone. So I'm just wondering if we're going to get an ABC. This is I'm not even going to take this trade. I'm just watching this from the background to see kind of what happens. But I'm looking at further upside on JPY as well as GJ also. So I do like GJ a little bit more. What I'd like to see on GJ is a wick below this low to trigger us in an entry, and then I'll be looking to potentially take GJ towards the upside. So something like that, and then further upside on GJ. Now we do have a secondary area where GJ could drop down to, so it could also head down here as well and then go up. So we'll see how it happens, but as of right now, the more premium area is going to be potentially this range of a take up this low and then a head up. It could also just shoot up as well. So y'all make sure y'all be mindful of that. So that's all the charts that I'm seeing right now, y'all. So again, these are recorded. So as soon as I end the stream, y'all can go back through and rewatch the stream so that y'all are up to speed on everything that I'm going to be looking at for this week. So appreciate all of y'all for tuning in. Again, more updates are going to be dropped in the free Telegram chat room. The link is down below. Y'all have a great trading week, and I will see you all later on throughout the week.